So I've been doing the heatless curls a lot. I usually don't like to put heat on my hair anymore, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to. And if you did want to check out the heatless curls video, it is up on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out. So as far as curling my hair, this is my natural hair. It's like, it's not curly, it's not straight, it's just wavy. It's almost like a beach wave kind of vibe, which I don't mind, but sometimes like with the color of my hair, it just looks really ratty. So here we are going to do some curls with this Conair curling iron that I've had for a decade, but it works super well and I love it so much. So I'm just going to brush out my hair. I like to use a round brush. Just make sure I get all the knots out. Okay, so now that my hair is brushed out, I am going to apply some Moroccan oil, which I don't have. I'm gonna grab it real quick. The Holy Grail. I absolutely love this stuff, and I've literally started using this since I was in high school. I know a lot of the stuff that I use, I tell you I've been using for a decade or like a couple decades, and it's true. I promise you, like, stuff that I love I use for years and years and years, and this is one of them. I've tried like argan oil, I've tried like other types of oil, but it all makes my hair feel greasy and I don't like that. And with Moroccan oil, I don't feel any type of grease. I just feel like it's healthy and it smells nice. What was I going to say? I had someone tell me that they apply this with wet hair, but I have never applied this while I had like wet hair straight out of the shower. I always apply it once my hair is dry from like after a shower or like from blow drying. I don't blow dry my hair, but if you were to blow dry, I applied this stuff after a blow dry, and that's how I use it, but you can use it however you would like. So I put it on before I curl my hair, and when my hair is dry, I like to just put some on my palm. For some reason, like every time I bought this Moroccan oil, this pump thing always breaks and it never works. So I literally just take this and I put some drops on my palm. Like this. And I just run it along my hair. And it just makes the split ends look so much nicer and makes your hair just like, it just gives your hair life, okay? It just gives your hair life. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. You don't want to overdo it, but you want to put enough to make it nice throughout. Okay, it is good enough for me. Oh my god, my bangs are so crazy. Like, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna pin it back for now. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay, so sorry about that. I always just literally just split it in two sections like this, okay? And I just take one of the sections. I know some people do it this way where they like do sections like this and then the next section and the next section, but come on, I don't have time for that, okay? So I literally just go like this and go like that, and then I just clip up this side of my hair like so. Okay, I look friggin' crazy. And I always just start from the back side first. I run it through once, curling from the top. This is really hard to do on camera. And I don't let it stay for too long. I just drag it out like that. Look at that. So pretty. And I go like that. Take another section. I usually actually hold my hair in my mouth, but I have lipstick on right now, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Next, brush it through once and start curling. And just, I like to use my thumb and just go like this. And like that. Okay, great. Oh my god, I thought the camera wasn't recording and I was gonna cry because I've already gotten so far. Okay, so you see how I don't like hold the curls with this wand in? Like I don't hold it like some girls do for like 5 seconds because I think that's so damaging to your hair. So I literally just brush it through and start releasing a little bit at a time from the top. Because I just don't like to put too much heat, and I don't like curls that are like too curly. So that is what I do. Run it through once. Like some girls go 1, 2. I'm scared to do it, but they like hold it forever, and I'm just like, oh my god, your hair, your poor hair. And I know some girls do like, they curl it one way and then like the next strand they curl it another. I just don't care to do that. I just don't. So I just curl it the same way and it's away from your face. Okay. This little curling iron is just mwah, chef's kisses. I've had it for so long and it just gets the job done so well. And I know what you're thinking. Your curls are looking really spirally and it's not gonna be cute. But girl, it's gonna be cute, okay? It's just gonna be really cute. Alright, see. Oh, it's hard to do this on camera. I'm just so used to doing it like nonchalantly. Alright. I never know really what to do with my bangs, so for now I'm just gonna leave it like that. But okay, so now we just and voila. I don't like to brush it out, but whatever. Okay, so that's fine for now. It's not done, but it's fine for now. Okay, so now we go in and do this side. Brush it out again. And same thing, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Start from the back. Oh gosh, my wire doesn't reach that far, of course. And just curl it away from my face. And just use my thumb to slowly release until it's released. This little end piece, it's fine. It's just fine. Okay? if I should just continue to keep them. I mean, either way, it's whatever because it's gonna grow back, but I don't know. I can just never style them right. Okay, so here's the final product. Okay. I usually don't like to do that, but I like to go like this. Just like the bounciest, most beautiful curls ever. I just love. Okay, here we have it. Again, okay, so should I keep my bangs? I just don't know, dude. Should I keep my bangs or should I grow them out? Oh my god. See, like, it just is that thing. Like, what is that? Ugh. Anyways, okay, so I wish it would just stay, like, together like that. Why can't it just do that? They are getting a little bit long because I have been thinking about growing them out, but I don't know. I just think they're cute and feminine. Okay, here's the back. I'm on my chair. What are we thinking? Okay, so let me know in the comments down below if I should keep my bangs or if I should grow them out, because yikes, like, this is just not it. Or should I grow them out? And oh my god, it's just like that awkward phase where it's like not too long and not too short, so it's just like it's got a mind of its own. So I mean, if I wanted to, I really could probably put some gel like and hold them together like this, but I think I like the look of the bangs better. But like, this is just so annoying. Why does it do that? I don't know. I gotta go, but okay. Oops. Okay. Final look. What do we think of the hair? And then let me know what you think, and feel free to message me if you have any questions at all. I'm happy to help you out. But okay, here's the back of my hair. Bye.
Later that night.
2, 3. Slower. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. finishing off with abs. Go Seti! How are we feeling?
Kicks my ass.
Ooh, we just got done. We're gonna get food. Say hi.
Hi. So awkward. Wait, are you sure this is right?
I'm positive.
Yeah, okay.
We made it. This place has the best burritos ever.
Okay.
Cheese? Yes.
The best burritos ever in the city of Chicago. Actually, in all of life.